The labors of Hercules are the labors of a disciple, and is a movement from being an aspirant, which is I aspire to improve myself, I aspire to understand about the higher worlds, I aspire to become a better person, and so on. That is said, okay, we aspire. Now what's the next step? The next step is to put your foot on the path and to say, okay, I'm ready. What do I have to do? And that is the 12 labors of Hercules. So I hope that by the end of these 14 months, there'll be 2 introduction and 12 labors. At the end of the 14 months, next year in Pisces, we will all say, you know, I'm ready to take part in consciously evolving, consciously changing myself. The whole idea of celebrating a full moon is to become conscious of the energies that are present during that full moon and to see what are the energies inside of us with which we can respond to this potential in the universe. That's what it is. We are trying to find the similarity of energies inside of us and become in rapport with the greater universal energies. And when we do that, we become truly the microcosm of the huge macrocosm. We truly become conscious of this interconnectedness. It is not just words anymore. It's an actual reality.